Hello and welcome. Today I will show you how to make this super delicious coffee custard. If you are a coffee lover or just love bittersweet things in life, you'll definitely love this. So let's get started. You will need a cup and a quarter of milk, 6 tablespoons of ground coffee, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2/3 of a cup cream. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius. Then heat the milk until just boiling. Add the ground coffee powder and give it a quick mix and let it stand for 5 minutes. Filter the coffee into another bowl. Some of the coffee powder seems to be passing through the filter, but I'll take care of that in a moment. Now filter the coffee flavored milk once again into a pan and add the cream to it. Heat this until just boiling. Give it a quick mix and set aside. Don't worry about the membrane on top for now, we will filter it out later. In a separate bowl, beat the egg and sugar. Now gradually add the hot coffee milk to it, whisking it the whole time. If you don't do this, you will end up with scrambled egg coffee something. We don't want that, right? Now filter the coffee flavored milk cream mixture into another container with a spout or something that's easy to pour out of. What you have now is a silky smooth custard mix that's ready to be baked. Divide the mixture into 4 ramekins. Look at that, so creamy, so rich. Cover the ramekins with aluminum foil and place the ramekins in a cake tin. Now fill it halfway up with hot water. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Once it is baked, let it cool to room temperature and then refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. I'm topping my custard with some shaved chocolate curls. You can make these using a slab of chocolate and a kitchen peeler. It's so easy. Now let's see that jiggle one more time. Are you excited? Ta-da! Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a comment. And if you haven't done it already, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so that you can be updated with all of my latest videos. Until next time, happy cooking!